Now we finish spraying, it's very important that we depressurise the machine by turning the knob back to prime and then switching off. Once you've finished and you want to return the paint back to the paint can. Now we repressure the machine by switching on. If there's still any paint left, open the lid, get in your paintbrush and just scoop out the last few bits of the paint. Ready then to add water to finally clean the machine out. Finally, to finish cleaning, we just need to flush it through with some clean water. Now we've passed water through the machine, finally we have to clean the tip and tip holder in water. We need to remove the filter from inside the gun. And give it a thorough good clean. Now we've finished spraying, we can put everything back into place. Now it's ready to be stored away.